Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to make announcement bar landing page where you can make the announcement bars and you can do the settings. You can create, update and delete announcement bars, and we will save them in the database as well. So let's get started and open our app and go to app and go to routes and create a new route over here, app dot announcement announcements.jsx. Okay, so let's copy and paste the code which we have on over here. Let's copy that and paste that over here and rename that function announcements. Let me copy the spellings and make sure the first letter is capital, and then we are going to remove everything from here and this one as well, and simply we will say this is our announcement page. Save that and then go to app.jsx and add a new link over here and name that announcements. We copy this text and announcement, and here you will add also announcements. Save that and go to your browser and then reload the app. F is not defined. Okay, sorry about that, we need to remove this F. And then if you reload your app, you will see we have announcement page over here, and if you click on that, this is our announcement page. So let's make it beautiful. Remove everything from here, and we are going to add a page component here, page component, and inside page component we have imported this from the Shopify Polaris, and we are going to pass some props over here like title, announcements, and then we will have the button primary action, and inside primary action object we will have a link, and that link will be imported from Remix Run React and Node from the Shopify Polaris. So type link and export that from Remix. Let me just copy and paste over here. We need to import that from Remix Run React Node from the Shopify Polaris. So inside link we will have a button, and let's type button, and button is imported from Shopify Polaris, and inside button we will type new announcement. Okay, and if we go back, we have a heading announcement and a new announcement button. So let's add some props here. So variant of the button would be primary. If we make that primary, now you see our button background is changed. This is the primary variant. And next we are going to add the size large. So we will have a large button. Okay, now we have a button and we have a link. Now we need a card. So I will go outside the page and type card. We have imported that from Shopify Polaris, and inside card we will pass props section, and then we need a image class name would be, no, we don't need a class, we need a source, and a source of the image would be this is SVG file, and then we have all text, announcement bar, and finally we will have a style, margin 0 auto, so our image will go inside in the center of the card. So let's see what we have. We have image, so we need a wrapper over the image. So let's add that so we can make our image in the center. So I will have a div, class name, card wrapper, and let's close this image here, this div over here, and let's add some style over here, style, and we will give padding like 100 pixel from top to bottom, so we can see some extra space, and then text align would be center. So now if you see, we have the image in the center and we have padding top and bottom at the card. Next we will add text. So I will use text which we can import from Shopify Polaris, and this is where you will manage your announcement. Okay, let me just copy the spelling of announcements, and if you see, we have a very lightweight text. Let's make it bigger. So we will pass the props variant, and the variant would be heading LG as H5. Now you see we have a H5 heading. Okay, finally we need a button, so we will have a link again. Let's copy and paste this button over here as well, and we need a link to that will go to /app/new announcement. Like this we will create this route, and let's add the link over here as well. So we have a button over here. Let's remove the extra V button over here, but it is very close to the text, so let's add another div here, or you can let's add another div over here, div style padding 20 pixel, and close the div and move the closing div over here, and then we will have another paragraph P and style, and this time we will give margin 10 pixel top 0 and 20 pixel from bottom, and we will type here start by creating your first announcement and publishing it to your store. Okay, save that, and now if you see we have this another paragraph and we have a space between the text, and we should move this link below the paragraph, so our text is no more blue anymore. So this is the empty state when you don't have any announcement bar. In the next video we will show the announcement bar over here. So we will show some dummy data over here, and then we will create a new announcement and we will save them into the database and fetch them over here. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.